yes I do, yes I did a laddie-yo. Yum, yes I do, yes I did a laddie-yo. Yum, yes I do, yes I did a laddie-yo. Yum, yes I do, yes I did a laddie-yo. Did a laddie, did a laddie, did a laddie-yo. Did a laddie, did a laddie, did a laddie-yo. Did a laddie, did a laddie, did a laddie-yo. Did a laddie, did a laddie, did a laddie-yo. Doom-she, 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 yo. 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 Hello, class 3s! It's me again. I hope you had fun singing that song. What you can do is teach your sister, your brother, your mom or your dad each of those parts and see if you can sing it together like we do in class. I'm sure you'll make a nice ensemble from that song. Now today's measurement main lesson is going to carry on from what we've learned the last time about measuring things with our thumbs, and we would call this digits or inches, or measure with our hands, and that was called measuring in hands, or cubits from our elbow to the tip of our middle finger, or arm's length from this shoulder all the way to the tip of my middle finger. Now another form of measurement is time, and we've already done this main lesson. But for you to get in the rhythm of time and knowing how well your day goes, I would like for you to do your timetable before you start your main lesson this morning. See the timetable over here, which I've sent in an email to your mom and dad. Copy it, draw it beautifully, and paste it on a wall where you can see each day what time you would do something, so you can measure how long it would take for you to do your tasks for the day. Now, besides using the upper part of the body in the olden days, the people would use their lower part too, and the first part would be their feet. They would measure how long a room would be by counting how many footsteps it would take from one hall to the other, just like you see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost. The space between the one hall to the other hall was almost 7 feet long. I'm sure you could see that by what I've done. Now I would like you to measure how long your room is, or measure the width of your room, depending on how much footsteps you take. Remember, it has to be from heel to your big toe. The next measurement was called strides. Now this was the footsteps of a full-grown man, which I'm going to show you shortly. This was also known as yards, and it was huge steps taken from one side of the room to the other. 1 stride. Now I would like you to try out taking your strides. Well, you're not technically a fully grown human being just yet. So maybe you should ask your mom or your dad or your older sibling to do the stride walks for you. I would like you to measure your backyard. If you don't have a yard, try checking out how long your balcony is, or a larger room if you have one. Have fun today, class 3. Love you lots and miss you loads.